evening, good evening. This is Shreyas here, your physics master teacher. Do let me know if you can see me and hear me loud and clear. Today is a very important session and you are going to see all the important tips, the strategies and the plan, not just on YouTube but also on our platform, and how whatever we have planned for you is going to benefit you for scoring full marks in the physics examination. So welcome aboard. I'll tell you what and all we are going to do in today's session so that you know and frame your mind accordingly. We are going to talk about the strategy for the physics examination, all the important do's and don'ts. Some of you might be aware of it, but you might have forgotten, or you might have realized that something did not go well in the previous English or maths paper, so you do not know what exactly went wrong. So don't worry, I'm going to help you out with that. Also, what's in store for you on our Vedantu platform just before the examination, and also on YouTube. What are we planning for all of you? So many plans to discuss. All of this with me, Shreyas, your physics master teacher. You can also call me Capto Shreyas. So how was your maths paper? How many of you think that you can score like really good marks? And how many of you are nervous about the physics paper? How is your level of confidence for physics? Is it very high? Is it just like above average? Or is it average, below average? Do let me know in the chat section. Ankit says average, Havani is nervous. Okay, not bad. Shana is scared already. Let me tell you, there are some really interesting things you can do even at the last moment, and that is what I'm going to tell you. So stay tuned till the end, because all the things that I'm going to tell you is going to be very important. And meanwhile, if you're watching this on Enthuse or Vidantu, make sure you first of all hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our classes that we are going to conduct in the next few days. Also, make sure you support us by smashing the like button. Thank you very much for all the students who have already smashed the like button as well. Now, let me tell you a very small interesting story. I have used this story for my 11th standard kids and they loved it. Are you all ready to start this session with a small interesting motivational story? Well, I have a simple question for you. This is a 500 rupee note. How many of you want it? Please raise your hands. Okay, Mohan already paid 20 rupees for this. Oh my god. How many of you want 500 rupees? How many of you want 500 rupees? Please tell me. Okay, everybody wants it? Okay, interesting. What if I fold this? What if I fold this? I crumple it and I fold it like this. I fold it like this and I'm like, okay, now do you want it? 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 If I fold it like this and give it to you? Now do you want it? Yeah? You still want it? Yep. Okay, cool. Yep, obviously you want it. Okay. Now what if I dip this in water and give it to you? Let's say I dip this in water, this note. I'm just going to dip it in water and then going to give it to you. What are you going to do? Do you still want it? Yeah? You want it or no? Yes, you want it, right? Yep. So what changed? What changed? Nothing changed. It's just that this note got crumpled, this note got wet. Alright? That's all. But the value of the note remained the same. So, all those of you who are nervous, all those of you who are worried, all those of you who are tensed, you're just crumpled, you're just wet, you just need to be ironed. And that's what we are going to do in the next few days. So, are you ready to be unfolded? Are you ready to be ironed? Are you ready to be nurtured for the next few days, so that you can actually score full marks in physics? So are you guys with me? Do let me know in the chat box. You are still valuable. You are still that much worthy. You can still do it. It's just a matter of few days. Yep, very good. That's like my warriors. So let's gear up for scoring out of marks in physics term 1 examination. Great. First of all, what and all you need to do? We'll start with revision. We'll start with what kind of PYQs and what kind of sample papers you need to solve and how many tests you should give and what is the plan on Enthuse. Very important. What is the schedule? I'm going to give you the entire timetable, all of this. Let's start with what you should start revising with. Okay, let's do this very quickly. Now, the most important thing is obviously formulas. There were so many questions, not just in sample paper, but even in maths, and it's very expected that even in the physics paper, the formula based questions will be there and they will be in large numbers. So you just have to probably substitute the values or just play around with the formulas a little bit. Some questions might be tough, as in you might need 2 or 3 formulas in one question. So sometimes they might ask you the formula in a twisted way. Usually you find the height, for example, of a projectile, but they might give you the height and they might ask you the angle. So you need to play around with the formulas. So you need to not just by heart the formulas blindly, but also play around with it. What if this increases? What if this decreases? Sometimes the formula based questions might not be very direct. They can ask you, if this increases 5 times, then how much does this quantity increase? Does it increase 2 times? Does it become half? Does it become 10 times? Those kind of questions can come. Sometimes it doesn't even feel like a formula question. Oh, if the temperature increases, then what will happen to the current in the circuit? Then you have to think, oh, current changes the temperature changes the resistance. Oh, the resistance changes the current, and that's why the reading will change. So those kind of questions can also come. So don't just by heart, but also apply them and play around with them. Now, it's very important that while you are revising the formula, there will be some theory before that or after that. That's very important. And you need to know the important points just before and just after. Now you'll be like, sir, you are telling all this. It's easy to tell. You are a teacher. You know all the things which are important, what is not important. Sir, I don't have the time to check out which is important, which is not important. Sir, I have my notes, but still, I think I need that help to understand what is important for the term 1 examination. Not from JEE Advanced point of view, for the term 1 examination. So don't worry, I have made a plan just for you. Okay, I have made a plan just for you. Yeah, don't worry, I have made a plan. In fact, something called as the NCERT underline, very important. Many students miss this. There are so many important things in NCERT. If you miss it, then probably you might not be able to solve few questions and you will not be able to score full marks. Why am I stressing on full marks? Because this is your chance, this is objective exam. Next term 2 may not be objective, it will be little bit difficult to score. So maximize your score in this examination of term 1. Don't put your hopes in term 2, because that time other problems will be there, JEE exam will be there, so many other things will be there. So I think it is easy, and there are some things which are in NCERT which are very important, and I am going to help you with that. I am pretty sure you need that help. Which are the important points in NCERT? We are going to do this together on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. In NCERT, whatever important points are there, I am going to do that with you online on YouTube. And yes, you need a good question bank. And make sure that you attend the discussion of the questions live. If not possible due to some reason, then yes, you can watch it recorded, but preferably live. Now, where do you get this question bank from? There are different sources. In fact, the CBSE website itself has it. The CBSE website itself has it. Then you can also get the question bank right on YouTube. Yep. If you see my sessions previously conducted, there are so many questions dedicated for CBSE. Plus, you are going to have more sessions in the days to come. In the next 3 days. In the next 3 days, you're going to have so many questions for you to solve at home and practice online. So you need to be live then. Not just that, even on the Vedantu platform, even on our Vedantu platform, you are going to see lots and lots of assignments. You are going to see questions being conducted as marathon sessions right from morning till night. Now, these questions are different from what you will find on the free websites. They are not the same. It's very different. They are very high weightage, most likely questions handpicked by our content team, especially for the last few days. It's not those regular questions. So these questions will help you boost your score. I hope you guys are getting it. That is what you need to do. Very important. Are you with me? Are you with me? So will you be with me on YouTube for the next 3 days? Because I am going to forget my lunch, I am going to forget everything else around me, because I am going to stay awake night in, day out, and just sitting with my NCERT books, sitting with my content team, making sure that lots of questions come for you during the live classes. So I need your help in that. Now for PYQs, for sample papers, there are many options available. Number one option is obviously the CBSE website itself, but that is just one sample paper. I can see your fire in the chat box and I can see that excitement. Thank you very much. Very good warriors. Excellent day. Now, remember, you don't have to practice questions which are not of your type. As in, you need to practice questions which are of these three categories. What are the categories? Assertion reason. Number 2, single correct option. And number 3, case study, basically paragraph. But if you search on the internet paragraph based questions, you will find JEE advanced level questions with MCQs, integer and all of that. So it becomes difficult for you to search. So don't worry, we have handpicked those kind of case studies which are of CBSE level and which are relevant to the term 1 examination. That is being done. Assertion reason also for CBSE level, you need to figure that out. Now where will you get it? There is MTG book, there is Oswal's book. So if you have MTG or Oswal, if you have it, raise your hand in the chat box. If you have it, yeah. So there you need to solve the questions from that. Even in the last few days, even if you solve 15-20 questions per chapter, it will be very useful, let me tell you. Okay. Now, even apart from those MTG Oswal books, those MCQs, those assertion reason, those case studies which you will not find anywhere on the net or you will not find it in these books, you are going to get all of that in our platform. Yep, on YouTube, on Vedantu marathon sessions, everywhere. You are going to be really amazed by that. Not just that, I am going to conduct formula revision plus application sessions. Imagine not just revising formulas, but questions on those formulas. Acha, chapter 1, let's say electrostatics, revise the formula and then imagine solving questions based on those formulas. Current electricity, formulas, questions. Imagine doing that. That's it, it will enter your head straight in, straight out. Next day in the examination hall, you will be like, Shreyas sir did this formula, I know this question. You will be able to do it, as simple as that. Yep. Not just that, if you are more inclined towards JEE or NEET, then I would suggest, because a lot of students have this confusion. Sir, I want to prepare for JEE, I want to prepare for NEET, but I don't want this time to go wasted because a lot of students are just preparing only for boards. If you are those kind of students, then practice JEE mains or NEET questions, but for easy level, so that you are not out of touch. It's going to be very helpful. Even if you practice physics questions of JEE mains or NEET, even PYQs or your Tattva booklet or your regular coaching material, the easy questions, not the difficult ones, it will be very impactful for your, board examination. But when you're doing this, do it tomorrow, max to max day after tomorrow. Don't do it one day before the exam. One day before the exam, I would say you should completely align and dedicate yourself for board examination. Do this only today, max tomorrow, worst to worst case day after tomorrow. But day after tomorrow also, I think you should just be focused more towards board examination. Is that clear? Yes, Prakash, obviously JEE is going to be a little bit tougher than NEET. Now the mock tests. How many mock tests you should give, and what is the sources that you can use for giving the mock test. Number 1 source is obviously CBSE, the sample paper. Number 2 source, my YouTube mock tests which are freely available. Number 3 source, the Vedantu platform. Nowhere else. Don't try to give the free mock tests available on random websites. You'll just waste your time logging in, creating accounts, and then finding that the questions are not so great. So I'm telling you, CBSE website sample paper. Number 2, YouTube, my mock test. Number 3, the Vedantu platform. These are the only 3 reliable sources that you can be, you can rely yourself on. And you should at least give 2 mock papers. tomorrow and day after, or maybe if you want to give it tonight, fine, no problem. So give 2 mock tests at least. I won't say give 4 mock tests and all that. 4 will be a little bit too much because you need time to revise formulas, concepts, NCERT and all. So 2 mock tests I think you can give. How many of you think they can give 2 mock tests and you are assuring me that you're going to give it? Yeah. And I'm going to conduct another sure shot mock test. Do you guys want this? What about this sure shot mock test? Yep. I'm going to conduct sure shot high weightage mock test 1 day before the exam. 1 day before the exam. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. It's going to be amazing. Perfect. I can see your commitment towards it. Yes. And when you are giving the mock test, how are you supposed to give it? With OMR sheet. Don't tick mark. You will not get the practice. You will not get the habit. You have to practice on the OMR sheet and sit quietly as if you are sitting in the exam hall. How would you behave in the exam hall? You will not talk to anyone. You will not look anywhere. Sit like that. Your phone should be on silent mode. That is the thing that is very important. If you just give it casually, done, you're watching TV or eating popcorn and writing the questions and you finish it in 3 hours, then it's of no use, then rather not give it. So mock test means you should actually mock the test. You should actually replicate the actual test. When you're doing that, you will see what kind of silly mistakes you're doing. Remember, at the last moment, whatever mock test you give, whatever mistakes you do, most likely it has been found you do the same mistakes in the examination hall. So, if you realize what mistakes you are doing at the last moment, in the last few papers, trust me, you can avoid those mistakes in the actual exam and you will realize, oh, you have saved at least your marks in 2 to 3 questions. So, make a note of whatever mistakes, conceptual errors, silly mistakes, calculation errors you are doing and keep a track of time. Keep a timer. Don't take any time more than 1.5 hours. Okay, you should be able to finish that question paper. Okay, within that stipulated time. If you're taking more time, then please ignore those questions which I have done later on. Now, I'm pretty sure you're all excited. Yes, Donna Thomas is saying, sir, I don't know the last 4 chapters. I'm going to revise all of that, Donna Thomas, for you. Good and bold girl, I have taken your name too. So, how about this? Let's talk about the plan that I have for all of you. Let's talk about that plan. So, look at this timetable and put up as many hearts as possible if you support this timetable. Look at this. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock in the morning, 3-hour session at least. I'm warning you, it's not going to be less than 2.5 hours at least. Okay, so assertion, reasons and case studies with NCERT underline. This is very important. We are going to do this chapter wise. We're going to do this chapter wise. Very, very important. So you have to come with your NCERT books. I am going to underline, I'm going to highlight all the important things. We will revise the theory and then we will do assertion, reasons and case studies. Isn't it interesting? Isn't it interesting? I can see all the hearts. Very good. Looks like you are already loving it. The next thing that we are going to do on December 8th, 11 o'clock onwards, you have to be there. We are going to do chapter wise formulas and then apply. So apply it using questions. So using your questions, we are going to apply all of these things. And this is also going to be chapter wise. So chapter wise formulas along with applications using MCQs, MCQ questions. On the next day, December 9th, sure short physics questions, very important questions, very important chapters. All those things will be done just 1 day before your exam or at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's going to be one hell of a session. Yep. So Nandish will be seeing what are the important points in NCERT. Obviously, nobody can teach the entire NCERT in 2-3 hours, right? All the important things. At least 2 to 3 hours, it might extend even beyond that. So you have to come prepared. So don't tell, sir, at 1 o'clock I'm feeling hungry, sir, I have to leave. No, you have to stay there till 2 o'clock at least. Or if you want, eat your lunch while you're watching the session. Promise me that. And once the paper is over, we are going to do this paper discussion, but that is post your physics paper. So post your physics paper is over, then we are going to do this physics paper discussion so that you know what went wrong, what went correct. This is what the plan is on YouTube. Now you are wondering, sir, what is the plan on Vedantu? Sir, I'm already a Vedantu Pro student. Sir, should I come on YouTube and watch? Well, definitely, you are free, you are welcome. My arms are wide open. I welcome everyone, be it Vedantu student, be it outside student, be it YouTube student, doesn't matter. But all the Vedantu Pro students are going to get even more sessions. I'll tell you what the plan is. Okay, so the plan is on Vedantu's platform, which looks something like this with quizzes. This is where the teacher is seen. You have lots and lots of marathon sessions from morning till night. I will show you the schedule along with doubt clearing. So if you have your doubts, you can ask all those doubts in the chat box. There is a separate second teacher who will solve all your doubts. That's what the interesting thing is. I'm pretty sure you have lots and lots of doubts during the sessions. Those will be cleared. So what's the timetable going to look like? Let me just show that to you. Okay, here it comes. Look at this. These are the physics topics. Look at this. EMI AC, 8th December. So many chapters are going to be completed. EMI AC, electric charges, electrostatic potential capacitance, current electricity, moving charges, magnetism, magnetism matter. So that's just on 8th December. On 9th of December, again magnetism matter. So different set of questions, different set of teachers, all of this just for you. Just for you. And this does not end there. You will have chemistry marathon sessions as well as biology marathon sessions right till 17th of December by different teachers of Vedantu. All experienced teachers out here who have consistently produced ranks. Isn't this amazing? And this is not just for, let me just go over here. There is more along with NEET students and JEE students also. We have even more sessions. Let me show this to you. These are extra sessions out here. You can see that. Okay, so there are going to be 2 tracks. You can see for JEE students, this is the timetable which is going to be followed, and for NEET students, you're going to see this is the timetable which is going to be followed. It's more or less the same thing. Now, if you're wondering, sir, how do I exactly join these marathon sessions, sir? What is the cost of it? Any idea what is the cost of these marathon sessions on Vedantu platform? Any idea? Because you're not just going to get all the subjects, you're just going to get even the different sets of question types, assertion, reason, MCQs, passage, along with mock tests. You're going to get 2 mock tests. Yep, you're going to get 2 mock tests. Okay, looks like some of you already know it. So the price is just, no, it's not 999, it is 899 rupees. Now if you're wondering how to get this, okay, let me just show this to you. Okay, just one second. There we go. Let me just open up YouTube just for you out here. Okay, so that's me. All you need to do is go down over here. Do you see CBSE Term 1 Marathon? Okay, this is the link. If you're watching this video, go in the description box. CBSE Term 1 Marathon. Click on this link. That's it. You can see 999 rupees. The original price was 1200. Offer price 999. But there is one interesting thing. Press buy now. You will see you will get this for 899. Why did you get this for 899? Because you have used my coupon code. Do you see this? SHHPRO. That's it. So you save 100 more rupees. I think even if you calculate the price per chapter, it comes like the per chapter price is roughly the price of one Munch or one Cadbury chocolate or all those Lallu Pallu chocolates that you get in the market. So it's hardly like 9 rupees, 10 rupees per chapter. So at the cost of one thin small chocolate, you are getting the entire marathon sessions for physics, for chemistry, for biology. Isn't it amazing, guys? Yep, Sarvata, that's all. You're going to get everything, Sarvata. If you don't know anything in physics, still this will help you at least something. Even those students who have zero idea about physics, who have not studied, at least attending these sessions, you will see at least 5 questions to 10 questions. 10 questions at least you will see. You will get at least some marks. Those of you who have some idea about physics, you might get to know some more questions. You will get at least 20-25 questions in the actual paper. So imagine how much boost you will get. So this is what I want you to do. Come on YouTube, come on our Vedantu platform. Make sure that you are there. Just keep on studying right from morning till night. If you feel, no sir, I don't need all the chapters, it's okay. Attend those chapters which you need. That's all you can do. Alright, very simple plan. It's a guaranteed success plan. You will get amazing marks no matter how you study, if you follow this plan. Okay, doesn't matter even if you study on YouTube, even if you study on our platform. But yes, take the help of the platform if you feel that you need individual support like doubt clearance and individual chapter help. So I hope these things are very clear. Practice a lot of questions, practice relevant questions, revise from notes and NCERT underline, solve 2 mock tests, solve chapter wise assertion reason, case studies, MCQs, and make sure you give the mock tests in the right environment, and practice only from trusted sources. Okay, don't practice from random sources. So these are the important things if you need to follow for the next 3 days, and I'm going to be there tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Make sure you too are there. Okay, so L2K, learn to kill. Even if you are not a pro student, you can still avail that marathon session. How? I just showed it to you. I hope you saw that. Yep. Welcome Shweta. Amazing. Arpita says Shreyas' army is here. Very good. So my army should be there tomorrow too. My warriors should be there tomorrow at 11 o'clock. And I'm going to make sure you're going to score amazing in the CBSE Term 1 Physics examination. Just have faith. All the best, my dear warriors. And do not forget to smash the subscribe button so that you do not miss my next class. And yes, thank you for loving the video. It means a lot, and you can definitely ask me anything on my Instagram handle, that's Shreyas_Vedantu. Take care and stay fit, stay healthy. Make sure that you do not oversleep or have lack of sleep. Make sure that you eat the right diet, because I don't want you guys to fall sick at the last moment. Okay? So stay fit and stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care. This was Shreyas here, your captain. Hasta la vista.